Check it out, guys. I got all the lights soldered up, 4 feet long, courtesy of OnScene Solutions. Thank you, Clay. I really appreciate it. The bad boy is this one right here, if you can see it. This is the aluminum cased one. This is what's going to go on the outside of the camper, and this is going to be the main porch light. And as you can see, it's extruded aluminum. This thing is beefy. I didn't add a tip onto here just yet because it is going to be hardwired in, where these are all going to be removable if need be. So I've got the little 1 foot or 18-inch one, and then 4 of the 4-foot ones. I cannot wait to go ahead and get these installed on the camper. I'm pretty excited. Rock on. It is finally a beautiful, sunny, room temperature day in Cheyenne, and I could not be happier. That means I can actually get out and start putting in these lights. And as you can see here, I've got them laid out. I've got the little clips that we're going to be using, and I'm putting in. I've already pre-measured and put in the first one. This one will go in overhead. I'll have a second one right there, crossing there, and a third one right here. I think 3 should be pretty sufficient for the amount of light these to put out. I'll still have an extra one if I need to, or if one breaks, or, you know, God forbid it gets stolen, I'll secure them down so they can't just be removed. But I'm excited, so let's follow along and let's get these things installed. Check this out. So I've actually got the lights turned on, just playing around with it here. I've got the wires temporarily up. I'm still going to use wire loom and make it look all nice and pretty, but I'm just kind of getting the preliminary wiring in. But it is looking nice. Gonna drill the hole through the bottom there, and then put a switch probably right about there so I can turn it on and off from the outside. But I think I like it. I like it a lot. And the best part is, it's only drawing about, ooh, let's see if I can get this to focus. There you go. 22 watts. 22 watts from the Jackery. So this will be really nice when I'm in here working and whatnot. And then, you can't really see it in the daytime here, but that's what it looks like right now. You can see the 3 different lights running there. So I am pretty excited about this. I can't wait to get it finished up and get these lights working, so I'll actually have some light out here. Oh, that'll be so nice. And then I've still got the porch light to put up, so keep following along. I have the wires temporarily hooked up to the junction box. Nothing super special, just kind of routed them in through the hole, set them up, and then out here comes out through the camper up to a crudely mounted switch right now, up and through and up there. And if I hit the switch, look at that, on, off, on, off. So as you can see, everything works. Now the way that I do wiring is kind of like I guess like a paper for your English class. I will go ahead and make my rough draft on how I want everything routed, see how I like it, make sure that everything powers up and works. And now that I've got them routed in a semi spot that I want, I will come back up to here, start wire looming everything, tying everything off, making it nice, getting like actual wire clamps, sealing that off, and finishing up the install. So I don't have too much more to go. Let me go grab some wire loom. So before anyone freaks out or sends me 800 comments about how horrible the switch is, this is just another temporary solution because I actually want to go online and order a nice surface mount waterproof switch. But I'll have to go online and order that. And when that comes in, then I'll go ahead and cut this out and make this look nice. The rest of the wiring, yes, will be permanent. So I'm going to go ahead and continue the wire loom here, down inside, seal everything up. But I'm going to go online and order an actual nice waterproof flush mount, if I can, flush mount switch for the lights. As you can see, the main wiring on the outside is done all the way up through, and the switch does work. Now remember, this is just temporary, just so I have a switch. I'm actually going to put in something nice there, but just wanted to show what I've gotten so far. I'm sure you're asking why I just drilled those holes in this very expensive extruded aluminum light. It's because normally it doesn't come this long. That's what she said. And so in order to give it some more securement, I drilled and chamfered some extra hold down or attachment points here, so it's not just in the plastic end caps, because this is going to be going on the side of the trailer. So this way it actually has some nice hard attachment points. It is once again cold in Wyoming. It was supposed to be warmer today, but it is clearly not, because I was wearing my hoodie the entire time for this thing. But I did get the final switch installed. I ordered a just like a little electronics box off of Amazon, as you can see here. And it comes with like a nice little water seal, and I ordered the pass-through, there we go, pass-through glands that you normally see with like solar boxes, just kind of seal this off from the weather. And I also have a waterproof switch. Now if you notice, the light stays on or off, and I haven't decided if I like that yet or not. But it's such a small LED, and I've got such a large battery in here that I could probably run that thing for months, if not a year, with the time. I think it's negligible. I don't think it's going to be a very big deal at all. And when I think about it, I kind of like it, because then if it's dark out here, I can easily come out here and find the switch to turn on the overhead lights. Woo.
I think it's just cool. I think it's cool when I make something and, like, you know, it actually works. So cool. All right, a few more things here. John said, "Let there be light." Look at that. Woo! Button lights up and everything. And then the second button here turns on the outside light. Isn't that pretty cool? On, off, on, off, on, off. And I figured out how to wire it so that the button lights turn off when the power goes out to that one switch there. So, ooh, can't see me. Now you can. Sweet, guys. Oh, doing electrical work is always fun. As you can see, I also kind of redid that up there, rerouted down, brought that in, or brought the porch light in from the outside down there, and then hooks to the main power supply. So yes, wires everywhere, and I've had a few people ask me, "John, why didn't you put them on the inside?" And the answer simple is, when I was building this, I didn't really know how I wanted everything routed, so I just decided from the get-go that I'll build the walls and then all the wiring will be on the outside exposed. And to be honest, I kind of like the industrial look of it, and not all that too, but as a do-it-yourselfer, it makes it so much easier to be able to come back in later on and either change stuff around, wire this back in, or, you know, change stuff. And so I think that this was just the proper way for me. Like I said, if I build a second one, they'll know where everything's gonna go, and then the wiring can be on the inside on that one. So yeah, I will wait till tonight to show you what the magic looks like. And now it is nighttime, so let's go outside and check it out, shall we? Obviously the lights are all working here. Coming outside and check that out. Woo! All the lights are on. I got all the lights, the aluminum shrouded LED lights there, the overhead lights. Yeah, man. Sweet. Sweet little box here. Lights on and off, and on. So now I have a super nice and awesome place to come and work when I need to. I can cook out here, I can clean, I can work on the Jeep, everything. This is pretty awesome. Yeah, I am very happy with how everything turned out here. And then you can even see the main light, the porch light, and everything works and turns on. I can show you here. See, got the switch right here, off, off, on, and it lights up everything pretty well. I am very happy with this, to say the least. So I think I'm ready for the these night ops here. Yeah, let me get back up on the camper here, or on the deck, I should say. I'll set this up. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. I hope you guys like the lights provided. Shwala, la la la. From OnScene Solutions. I definitely want to make sure that I give a big shout out to Clay. He was the one that made these lights possible. Gave me these lights for test and evaluation purposes, so I can make a video on them. I can get it out there. I just want to say big thank you to those guys over there. This is awesome. I cannot wait to go ahead and start getting these out, going camping, taking these things and using them. I am super excited. So I hope you guys continue to follow along. I don't know what the next thing I'll do here. I know I still want to get a nice actual heater system and an AC unit for the camper, but those I might have to wait a little bit longer for those. But I'm very happy. So once again, thank you guys for following along. Thank you guys for everything that you do, all the support, anything that you guys give me. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to you next time in the next video. Peace.